All right, so today I'm going to create an app that can apply for 1099 remote jobs pretty much consistently, with the end goal of getting pretty much an interview every single day or two, where that's all I'm doing, spending my time interviewing. I'm not applying emails, I'm not updating resumes, supposed to do the resume changes, do the actual applications, find the applications through different websites and stuff, working to build that out. So some of the research I've done says to do your first initial prompt when you're using Replit through ChatGTP first. So it will put it into a format that Replit can understand, and that way you can limit how many errors you get when you do it. So um, basically, I want to create 1099 remote contract roles using Replit.com, and I told it that the end goal is to have interviews lined up over the phone or online every day or two without me having to lift a finger. Ideally, the application should have the capabilities to apply for job sites like LinkedIn, Indeed, and ZipRecruiter while changing the resume and cover letter submitted to reflect a desirable candidate for the employer. The application should be able to give suggestive feedback on better ways to get interviews and hired faster and easier so that, I'm getting interviews, but it's also feeding me ways to do better. Um, which now that I think about it, I might implement a way to feed the application screen recordings or audio recordings, but I might make that change later. This is my first time actually building an app out, so I'm starting from scratch. Um, Limit the applications to English speaking jobs only and paying no less than $20 an hour or $200 per day. The remote jobs can be working in any country worldwide except U.S. citizens that accept U.S. citizens as remote contractors because I'm in the U.S. So asking, this is the last part that's important. Ask it. I'm basically wanted to give me a good starting point so that Replit, let me fix it, can understand it adequately to build out an auto apply application with minimal errors and create the least amount of confusion for it. So let's see how it goes. Okay, phase one, minimal viable product, job scraper, keywords. This might be a little, it's very broad, but okay. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Python, Selenium, starting template code, Replit compatible. Okay, we won't be using this stuff. This is more like the skeleton stuff that it's probably going to generate its own version of. But let's see here. You can run this script daily. All right. Store API keys safely and log tracking failed applications on here is good. All right. This is definitely what we need here. I'm going to build a UI dashboard that can't be optional. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this top part and feed it to it. Hmm, let me see here. Actually, let's do this. I'm telling it anyways, just because I want to make it very clear. Okay. All right. Yep, there we go. OpenAI, which is what we're on now. Okay. Resume generator. Probably going to feed it some of my own data. Okay. I'm going to take this information here. I'm going to do dark mode because I put all my stuff in dark mode clearly. All right. Let's see how this process goes. I bought the $25 a month one. So, oh, probably should hide this. Okay. All right. Let me analyze your requirements, propose a comprehensive plan. I have a resume that I can upload to it to give it a skeleton to start from, but I don't have a written out um, cover letter. But for the process of this, I think it's just best to go ahead and go for it from scratch, anyways. So it starts with broad. All right. An automated job application. Would you like any of these additional features? Probably don't want to add any extra features yet. Doing it at the end so it can take it step by step and not get confused. Um, no, oh, this one, no, that's probably what I wanted to build in as we go. Mm, well, this is what I kind of wanted there, right? Hmm. Geez. Okay. Well, we can also make these changes later. Okay. Well, this is gonna be the main one, an automatic follow up system, because the fortune's in the follow up. So, all right. So this is what makes this so amazing. It's a visual representation of the app as you're building it out, and then you look at it and make those. So it's currently building it out. So I guess I could pause while it's built. Oh, oh, look, see, there we go. It named it. Wow, that's amazing.